Want to give your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y a unique interior? This video covers popular methods like vinyl wraps, trim kits, and ambient lighting to transform your minimalist EV into a personalized space. We'll explore the essentials for each modification type, current trends, and important considerations to ensure safety and warranty compliance. As of 2025, personalizing your Tesla interior is a booming trend, with many owners seeking to break away from the stock look. Vinyl wraps are thin, adhesive films applied to interior surfaces like seats, dashboards, and door panels. They offer a wide range of colors and textures and are affordable, typically costing between $200 and $1,000 per vehicle. The key is proper surface preparation, thoroughly cleaning and priming the area before application. You'll need tools like a heat gun, squeegee, and vinyl cutter. While reversible, incorrect application can damage surfaces or void your warranty. Trim kits allow you to upgrade the interior of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y by replacing the factory plastic or metal components with premium materials. Common options include carbon fiber for a sporty look, wood veneer for elegance, and aluminum alloys for a modern feel. These upgrades transform the appearance while maintaining the vehicle's functionality. The installation process begins with removing the original factory trim pieces. You'll need plastic pry tools to gently lift the panels without scratching the surfaces, and a screwdriver or drill to remove any screws holding them in place. It's important to work slowly to avoid damaging the underlying components or wiring. After removal, prepare the mounting surfaces by sanding them lightly to ensure proper adhesion. Then, apply the new trim pieces using appropriate adhesives or fasteners. This step requires precision to achieve a seamless fit that doesn't interfere with the vehicle's operation. For the best results, choose trim kits that match the original equipment manufacturer specifications. This ensures the new pieces integrate perfectly with the Tesla's large touchscreen, climate controls, and other interior systems without gaps or misalignment that could affect usability. Trim kits range in price from $500 for basic aluminum upgrades to $3,000 for high-end carbon fiber or exotic wood veneer options. The installation time varies from 4 to 8 hours depending on the complexity and your experience level. Professional installation can add to the cost but ensures quality results. Throughout the process, exercise caution to avoid damaging the underlying components, wiring, or sensors. Tesla vehicles have complex electronics, and any damage could affect functionality or void warranties. Work methodically and consider professional help if you're unsure. Safety must be the top priority when modifying your Tesla's interior. All changes should maintain essential vehicle functionality and avoid any risks to you or the car's systems. Never compromise the airbag system. Modifications should not interfere with airbag deployment or sensors. Even aesthetic changes near the steering wheel or seats must be carefully planned to preserve safety features. Autopilot relies on multiple cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors. Any modifications that could block these sensors or create false readings must be avoided. This includes changes to bumpers, windows, or any exterior components that might affect sensor visibility. Before any electrical work, always disconnect both the 12-volt auxiliary battery and the high-voltage traction battery system. This prevents accidental shorts, electrical fires, or damage to sensitive electronics. Follow Tesla's service manual procedures for safe disconnection. Use reputable sources like teslamods.com for detailed guides. Professional installation ensures proper techniques and reduces risks. Certified technicians understand Tesla's unique electrical and software systems. Tesla's 4-year warranty covers the powertrain and many components, but interior modifications can void coverage if not done correctly. Professional installation typically preserves warranty, while DIY work may lead to denied claims. Remember, while customization enhances your Tesla experience, safety and proper procedures should always come first. This protects both you and your valuable investment in the vehicle. The Tesla customization market is experiencing rapid growth, with with trends focusing on sustainability and smart technology that align with electric vehicle ownership values. Eco-friendly materials are leading the trend, with biodegradable vinyl wraps made from plant-based adhesives and recycled carbon fiber trim kits gaining popularity among environmentally conscious Tesla owners. Hybrid modifications blend digital and physical elements, such as app-controlled ambient lighting systems paired with custom vinyl wraps, offering Tesla owners both aesthetic appeal and interactive functionality. Social media platforms like TikTok are driving trends through viral challenges, with the #Tesla Interior Makeover hashtag inspiring thousands of owners to share their customization projects and purchase affordable DIY kits. Looking ahead, expect more smart integrations through Bluetooth connections and Tesla's API, allowing owners to control interior features remotely and synchronize customizations with the vehicle's systems for a truly connected experience. A 2024 Model Y owner in Austin, Texas, installed a $2,500 carbon fiber trim kit from Carbon Fiber Gear. This transformed the vehicle's matte black interior into a sporty, glossy finish that enhanced both aesthetics and perceived quality. Featured on the YouTube channel Tesla Mods Unleashed, with over 500,000 views, this modification resulted in a reported 20% increase in resale value, though it voided the interior warranty. Vinyl wrap specialist Wrapmaster completed a full interior wrap on a Model 3 using 3M Scotchlite material, costing $800 and taking 2 days to install. The result was a neon glow-in-the-dark theme that synced with ambient LED lights, showcased at the 2025 SEMA Auto Show. This customization received praise for its durability, lasting over 5 years, though it faced some criticism for potential adhesive residue issues during removal. A Reddit user on r/Tesla Motors documented adding RGB LED strips to their Model Y for $300, integrating the lights with Tesla's built-in controls. This mod enhanced the nighttime driving experience with customizable color-changing effects, though it required firmware hacks that risked being disabled by Tesla software updates. The customization blended technical skill with creativity, showcasing the growing trend of smart integrations in Tesla modifications. These case studies demonstrate the blend of creativity and technical skill in Tesla interior modifications, often shared and discussed on platforms like Reddit's r/Tesla Motors with over 2 million members. From carbon fiber upgrades to glowing wraps and smart lighting, Tesla owners continue to push the boundaries of personalization. Experts from automotive communities like AutoGeek.net describe Tesla interiors as overly plain out of the box. Customizations can add 15 to 30% to perceived vehicle value, according to KBB appraisals, but modifications risk depreciating the car's value if not done professionally. However, poorly executed modifications can depreciate the vehicle's resale value. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has hinted at future OEM customization options, potentially reducing the need for aftermarket solutions. While 80% of modifications are DIY, according to TeslaMods.com data, professionals strongly recommend certified installers to mitigate risks like warranty voidance and safety issues. Always check your work to ensure no damage or stressed wiring. By following these guidelines, including maintaining airbag functionality and avoiding autopilot sensor interference, you can transform your Tesla's interior safely and effectively while preserving its value.